Hey guys, it's Noelle, and today I am going to be cleaning my room because tomorrow my friend's coming over, and today's Saturday, by the way. And so, yeah, so clean with me. Yeah, you should clean your room while I clean mine, so maybe this will inspire you guys to organize and clean your room. So first I'm just going to show you the before of how messy my room really is. Like, it's bad. But before I do that, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe down below, and turn on post notifications. Let's just get started. Oh, I forgot to show you my bed. It's not made either, but I'm about to go sleep, so I'm not gonna make it.